Your body posture is one of the factors which determines you as attractive or otherwise. Round shoulders, hunched back develop because of bad posture and looks really very sluggish. Let's start with the basics and understand what is an ideal posture. An ideal posture is when you are standing up against a wall. Your heels, your posterior, your back and your head are in the same line touching the wall. As you can see in the video, 3 important things to note: stomach in, chest out, shoulders down. Try this one and you will immediately know if you are suffering from a bad posture. In this video, we will be giving you some cool tips and techniques step by step to improve your posture. Hi gentlemen, welcome to Awesome and Amazing Style. How to have a model-like posture. But to reach there, we need to understand a few things. To have a good posture, you need to have strong chest, shoulder and back muscles. Well, having a good posture does not necessarily mean hitting with iron all the time. The first thing you need to do in order to have a good body posture is to be aware of your body. Be attentive of your posture. Correct it as frequently as possible. Get your body used to be in an upright position. Well, there are a few stretching exercises which you can try at home to improve your back and shoulder muscles. The first is the child's pose. Sit on your knees, sink your hip between them and extend your arms as shown in the video. The second is the pigeon's pose or the hip opener. Lie down on your stomach and try to pull your torso with the help of your hands. The third is the high plank. This is the same position as the push-up, but you don't need to do one. Just maintain yourself at the highest position with your body weight on your hands. The fourth is the cow cat. Again, a very easy stretch. Just make sure you maintain your body weight equally on the forelimbs while doing this stretch. Cow, cat, cow, cat. Let's look at another stretching form which we call the doorway stretch. Very easy. Find a door. Place both your hands at the shoulder level as shown in the video and then extend one leg. Try to shift the entire body weight on that front leg. Repeat this with other leg as well. You should also try this with your hands at the hip level. Doorway stretches are really good to open up your chest muscles and help them relax. Now let's look at the foam roller exercises you can do at the comfort of your home. You can easily find a foam roller on Amazon. I will provide the link in the description as well. Place the foam roller on the ground like this and then lay on it as shown in the video. Now hold a towel between your hands and make an arc movement between your hip and your head. Repeat this at least 20 times with 4 sets. Go slow if you're starting now. Another form can be where you perform a jumping jack movement while laying on the foam roller. Foam roller exercises help your neck muscles, your shoulder muscles and your back muscles to relax. If you have made it this far, then I'm sure you're liking this video. Then please hit the like button. Now let's come to my favorite exercises. Hold equal weight in both your hands. If you're doing this at home, you can also use water bottles, but make sure they are of the same weight. Now rotate your shoulders in a circular motion. clockwise and then anti-clockwise. 10 reps each is good enough. Now it's time for the dead man's walk. It's the same walk which models do on the ramp. Chest out, back straight, shoulders down, head still, chin parallel to the ground. Choose weight as per your strength and walk as much as your body supports. Don't kill yourself. You will develop it over a period of time. I have been doing this for a long time now, and the advanced level is where you hold one of the dumbbells in your hand at your shoulder level and the other remains like in the previous version. Change hands after every 15 steps. Well, that's all in this video. We hope you like this video and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. See you in the next one. Stay safe.